But as we await this flood of earnings, let's get straight to today's market action. Joining us now is BD8 Capital Partners CEO Barbara Doran. Barb, it's great to have you on. It's a mixed session here as we settle out for stocks. But perhaps what is most incredible is if you were Rip Van Winkle and slept through the entire month of April, you'd be waking up and not realizing how wild and volatile this month actually was. Just the fact that the Nasdaq's finishing higher on the month and the S&P less than 1% from the flat line. What does it tell us about this rebound, and does it have legs?
Well, the rebound, it's off. Obviously, the S&P got down 20%, and that was really worst case scenario after the Trump reciprocal tariffs when it looked pretty dire. And I think since then, he's backed off a bit. We have the 90-day pause. We have updates on autos. And, of course, the big thing is he backed off from talking about firing Poucher, because that really spooked the markets. So the markets recovered about half what of the losses from the high. And I think then you have animal spirits kicking in a bit, believe it or not. I think it's been a buy on weakness. But personally, I think that it's going to be range bound. I think you still have big uncertainty out there, and the tariffs have not started to flow through. You saw the GDP number this morning. It was negative, but there's a lot of, the big rush to import before the prices go up and that sort of thing. You saw consumer spending's holding up. Visa this morning talked about the resilient consumer, American Express a few weeks ago. But all these numbers, all these things are past, and although in the case of Visa, they're seeing it through April 21. But we have not seen the impact of the tariff. There's all this uncertainty, and I think that is going to start to feed.
Okay.
Come through.